Okay, tonight we're going to show you how to use the conversation mode of mobile Google Translate. I have my partner Brody here. Say hello.
Hola.
And we're going to start conversation mode in just a second. So you can see we're working with both Spanish and English. And you can see those two languages at the top. And because he will be asking question first, we want that language on the left-hand side. And I'm going to go ahead and press conversation so we can start.
¿Dónde está Target?
Where is Target?
And you can see it translated it and read it to me. So I'm going to answer by pressing the microphone. Target is in Carson City.
Target está en Carson City.
Gracias.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
De nada.
So you can see it started to pick up how we were speaking, so the microphone automatically came on for us to respond to each other.